All right, we've got our launch C-Reader Elite 2.0 right here. I actually get to give away two of these, one of which will be through the YouTube channel here, and we'll get into the details of that. But first I want to explain this launch scan tool right here. Now, it's on sale right now. It's a Black Friday week, so be sure to look into those. There's a link in the description if you want to take advantage of that. And like I said, I will be able to give away one of these on this channel, and that will be on Thursday that the giveaway takes place. And I'll get into the details on how to enter that in just a moment. But I want to talk about this because this is such a great budget level scan tool that actually allows you to do more than just read and clear codes, which I'm going to show you real quick. I just want to go in through a couple screens so I can show you on what I use this for. It's a quick and easy setup. As you can see, I'm just clicking through the available options to get to my GM vehicle, which is a 24 Silverado ZR2. It does have the 3.0 Duramax diesel. Now I'm going to manually select. That way we can show you all the models, the GM models that are listed in here. Hopefully you could see this. I set it up. I'm doing this filming at nighttime because I've had issues filming during the day as I'm getting a lot of glare on it. So anyway, like I said, I just want to go through this just real quick. Just bear with me. But this is a 24 Silverado. You can see all the different GM models available on here. I am a D. So we're going to continue through here. Let me get this camera out of the way, so that way we can better see. I didn't know which camera to use because I was just having a hard time filming this, so please forgive me for that. But we want to go straight into system selection. We're going to go into, well, I'm not going to go in there yet, and I just want to show you the available modules that you can go into. Now, like I said, this is a little bit better than a normal just code reader because you can read all the codes in all these modules. You can clear the codes from the modules, and you can also go in there to see data. So we're just going to go ahead and go into the engine control module because that's the most common. As you can see, it has all the updated engines in there, including the L3B, the little 4-cylinder, and the big 6.6 L5P. But we've got the little guy, just the little LZ0 on this one. Now you can see all of the options that we have on there. And let's just go into actuation test because I think this is a neat little area. Now you can command your charge air cooler, coolant pump. And the reason that you would do that is if you did some work on your charge air cooler and drain the fluid. And you can go in here and turn this coolant pump on, and then that will allow you to purge the air out of the system as you're filling it up. Cooling fan, this truck has 3 cooling fans. So if you think you have an issue with one of the cooling fans, you can command those on and go ahead and verify that those are on there. Engine cooling system valves. That's a neat one because coolant control valve position, you could do the relearn on that. I'm not going to mess with any of that because we all know how sensitive these trucks are with the engine coolant control valve. So let me just back out of this since we already saw this. You can read fault codes, clear fault codes, read the data, so you can see live data on there as well. Now let's just go check out the transmission because we don't dip into that very much. And then after I go through this, we're just going to go ahead and we'll go through the details on how to enter this giveaway. Like I said, one of these given away for free on this YouTube channel, and then we're going to have one given away on the Facebook group, which is in the description. Be sure to check out the link to get one of these. It's around 150 bucks. If you don't win one of these, I highly recommend you at least look into purchasing one off of there because it is a good value. Like I said, this is around $150 right now, and you could do a lot with it. Yes, it is GM only, so you have that as the reason why it brings the price point down. But typically people are just going to use this for their one vehicle. Like in my case, I have the 24 Silverado with a 3.0. Now we have different options right here for the transmission. And I believe I clicked actuation test. Let's go into special functions. Transmission service, fast learn, and adaptive pressure reset. I'm not going to touch any of these because I don't have any problems with my truck right now and I don't want to cause any. But I'm just trying to show you that inside the scan tool, there's actually a whole lot of options to go through. And like I said, it's a very good price point. But let's go ahead and get into the giveaway on this. Now, super easy to enter. You don't even have to really do anything except for just comment on this video. And by comment, I mean just comment down below. And what I'll do is I'll reply to it with a number. And on Thursday, let's call it 11 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, I will have it posted up who the winner is. It's going to be in the community feed. And I will also post it up in the Facebook group. So like I said, there's 2 ways to win. You can join the Facebook group. You can comment on here. Now the Facebook group, you comment in there as well, so you can really enter both of them, and I highly recommend you do. So like I said, I get to give away 2 of these thanks to launch, and I will select the person. So let me get back to that. Thursday at 10 a.m. or 11 a.m. Excuse me, I'm jumping all over the place. 11 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. It will be posted up, but when you comment, I'm going to give you a number, and then I'm going to put that number, or all the numbers, if it's 250 people entered, I'm going to put in 1 through 250 into a random generator. I'm going to hit the random generator, and I will screenshot it, and we will have a winner on there. So yeah, just go ahead and comment on this, and hopefully you're a winner. If you're not so lucky and you're not one of the winners of this, then like I said, I highly recommend you go at least take a look at this. But yeah, the Launch C-Reader Elite GM. This is a 2.0 GM. Until next time, see ya.